What's today?
Today is the day we get fishies.
Vlog day!
Oh, not vlog day.
Yes, vlog day. Excuse the clean laundry everywhere. Hello! It's been such a long time since we have vlogged, and we're not going to spend the day here in this house because Hiram's on spring break, my 5-year-old, if you don't remember. We have 4 kids, 2 dogs, and 1 new fish, and we're about to get 2 more fish. So we're getting 2 fish today, we're getting bikes today, we're getting some patio furniture today. We're just gonna spend all day having fun and going to lunch. And these kids are ready with their bike helmets that we got yesterday.
Hey, look, this is cool.
Show us.
Dun, dun.
Nice, dun dun. Show us the bonk on your head. Show us the big thing on your head. Can you guys see that bump? Here, let me turn. Here, turn that way. Can you see that bump on his head? He smashed his head in the windowsill yesterday.
Look,
we had to go to the hospital. But he's good. He's good.
That is cool.
That is cool. Okay, next. Show me your helmets, everybody. Love yours. Okay, get out of here. Show me yours. Nice. Show me yours.
Yeah.
Are we going to get a bike today?
Yeah. I'm going to get the coolest one.
Okay, we're all going to get the cool bikes. Okay, let's go down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We're leaving. We're going to go get bikes. Get your sippy, Kai.
I'll show you something. No, never.
Oh, you forgot your helmet.
Mommy,
Hey, Brigham. He's 1 now, guys. He's 1 years old now. Hi. 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 Okay, let's go. We're going in the truck today. We recently, I guess I'll show you guys since everything's new. We haven't vlogged in so long. Max got a haircut today. Not today, the other day. So he's, look at his mohawk. Bea got a new crate where she can sleep at night. We love her. She's also turning 2 in May. He's turning 4 in August. And let's show you. Okay, so we just made an aquarium for, this is Hiram's fish. What's your fish's name, Hiram?
Nemo.
That's not his name. What's his name?
Mr. Blue.
Mr. Blue. So they made this like Nemo themed
Awesome.
aquarium. He's not in there yet because he's on quarantine. We're giving him his medicine. But he's all happy in there now. Look how he's swimming around because it's all warm in there. He's all happy. See?
Hi, Mr. Blue.
How his fins are coming out.
Hi, Mr. Blue.
Yeah, Mr. Blue.
Mom, he's not
Can't
looking
see
at
him
me.
very well in this Tupperware.
Mom, he's not looking at me. Mr. Blue. Hi, Mr. Blue. Can I touch him?
Yeah.
Can I touch him?
There's Mr. Blue.
Can I touch him?
No, you can't touch him.
Why? Can they bite?
No, he can't bite you.
Why?
And we got 2 more tubs ready because we're getting 2 more beta fish today, aren't we? We're getting Daddy 1 and me 1. So, all right, guys, let's head out.
I'm excited though, buddy. Come on.
Sure, you can hold my hand.
Mom, try the white one. It's cool. The white one in that one. Mom, try the white one now. Mom,
I'm gonna try these ones. What do you think?
I'll try this one now. this one's Mommy, elephant. This Spider-Man. This Spider-Man. What's Spider-Man? This one's cool.
Whoa, that one is a pretty cool bike.
Actually, this is cool one, a better cool one?
That's a Spider-Man, but that's too small for you. What happened to that orange one? We can go back and get that one if you want, buddy. If you want the orange one, we can go to that special Walmart and get it.
Daddy, I took the cool one.
Is that the one you want?
I don't know what Spider-Man like.
Durham, what kind do you want, buddy?
I want.
There's this Spider-Man bike. Look at this one. Look at the front.
I want this
Which one do you want?
I
You want Paw Patrol? You like that one?
Let me have.
Okay, Hiram, if you like red too, there's this red one too. Look. There's this red one. There's blue. There's yellow.
Yeah, but I can't drive it then.
Yeah, you can. Sit down.
I want Spider-Man.
You gotta practice.
I want Spider-Man.
You want Spider-Man?
Yeah, I can't practice it.
This is my bike.
Oh, yeah.
Comfy.
Nice.
Alright, which one's Dad gonna pick?
Ooh, I think a black one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Blue.
That's a nice one. Go stand by your bike, please.
Oh, red.
Oh, look at that black one if you want a mountain bike. That one's cool.
This one, Dad?
It's cool too.
I think you like a mountain bike. You're a mountain bike type of guy.
One like me, Dad?
I put a little heater in there. He's all kind of set up, quarantined out. So guys, bad news. I was gonna go get 2 more Bettas or Bettas, however you want to call it. I wanted a mustard one and I want a red half moon one, and they ordered a red one, but what came in was a blue one. So they have a mustard one at this like aquarium in Massachusetts, so we have to drive an hour away, but I'm gonna go check that out. I'm gonna check the mustard one out. I'm gonna look at the blue one, and maybe we'll find another one that we really like, because I have 2 aquariums coming, because I really wanted a red moon one, but they said maybe next week, but it's so far away, like an hour before all the kids, so I probably won't be going back. I'm not sure, but we'll bring you guys along. We kind of came back here for lunch. We got the kids' bikes, so we're ready to ride bikes after we're done with this little adventure of going and getting a fish. But it should be fun. It should be fun. And check out these glasses you guys saw earlier that we got at Walmart. We went to 3 different Walmarts. Check that out. No, buddy. All right, we just got here at the fish place after an hour. Fun. We got this little guy.
Ow.
He's a mustard.
Ow.
Give them both their medicines, so they're ready now. 5 days, they have to have their medicine in there, and then we can put them in their bowl on Sunday. Excited. All right, let's see Kai's bike. He got, ooh, a Spider-Man bike. That's cool, dude.
I got the coolest.
Can you show me your bike? Nice. That's one nice, cool bike, dude.
Okay, let's try to ride it. This time
That's cool.
I'll make sure.
Okay. Ooh, you got a Spider-Man bike. Whoa. Nice. Yeah.
Spider-Man shooting.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna shoot Kai and
Okay.
Stop.
In a second.
What? Stop. A gene.
Dad's putting together the baby stroller. Nice.
This is the baby bike.
And there's Mommy and Daddy's bike. We're ready to go on a family bike trip.
I want to put this inside. This is the baby bike. Look at it.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Don't hurt your neck again.
It's okay.
Come on, Dad. Doesn't take a scientist.
Yeah, come on. Open my mouth.
Look at his scientist.
Yeah, open.
All right, Hiram's first bike ride. Get on.
First, Hiram's second bike ride.
Get on. Go. Now go. Go. Go, Hiram, go. Push it, buddy. Woohoo! He's doing it. Go, Hiram. Make sure you turn the wheel so you don't hit the cars. Nice. Nice. Ride it, Hiram. Woo! Hiram. Hiram. Go, go, go. You got to look where you're going. You can do it. Go, 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 go. Nice! Woo! You gotta steer it! You gotta steer it! Whoa! First bike crash! Nice! Nice! Okay, come on. Going forwards. Turn it this way. Hi, Durham, look where you're going. Oh, where's your helmets, guys? Your helmets! Go get your helmets! Like a responsible mom with 4 kids, I forgot to tell them to get their helmets on. Go get your helmet, Rick, Kai. Rick, he's a baby. This baby's cold because he's a baby. Oh, I love it. I love it. You're gonna go in there, and Daddy's gonna ride with you. Because Daddy doesn't trust Mommy to ride. No, it's not. All right, we got cranky kids because they want to ride, and Daddy's gonna ride them. Ride them, Dad. You like your bike? It's pretty sweet. Dun 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 dun.
I didn't know.
Okay, so the kids are in bed, and I'm heading out to Petco because I need to get some like silk plants for the aquarium for our new fish, and I want to see if we can find another beta because we're getting 2 new aquariums, so that way we can have 3 fish, because I would love to have one in our master bathroom or our bedroom and the office. So I'm heading out to Petco without my husband because that pet place that we were telling you about, they were supposed to have a red beta, but they didn't. They had only a blue one, and the one we got. So I'm heading to Petco, bring you guys along. We can check out the betas there, and I know I'm probably going to be a little bit sick, but we're gonna quarantine him, and it's not the best place to get it, but we don't have any other fish stores here, so. I'm trying to decide between this one, this one, this one, or this one. You excited? I hope you guys really enjoyed our vlog. It's been a while since we've vlogged, so we're going to definitely try to do more vlogs. Give me a like, subscribe, you guys. And if you guys want to see videos of us setting up our tank of our cool fish, let me know if you're kind of interested in videos like that. I'm really getting into fish and like keeping fish, and it's turning into this whole thing. But I guess I'll see you guys. We're just going to end our vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a fun day, and I'll see you guys later.